This is the Vintage Teac, and we've got a vintage realistic amplifier here, 8-track and amplifier. I'm working on the Teac. Okay, we're working on the Teac 1200, and I've got broken brakes, at least on this side, and so it's just the tape spins out of control on rewind. When you stop it, the tape continues to spin, and so I pull all the screws out. The pinch roller pulls straight out. It's not immediately obvious, but it pulls straight out. And then there's a ring here you unscrew. There's a set screw on the supply reel guide that you have to take loose to pull off. And then everything else is pretty obvious. The rubber caps on the things pull off, and then you get to the 3 screws there. And once you get all of that, the whole cover just lifts right off. And there we go. And we can see some belt or a brake material laying right there that's come unglued. And it's supposed to go in here and in here on these metal belts here. And it's missing. So we should be able to glue that felt back in there and get our brake back. That would be an easy fix. The belt on the pinch roller and capstan is doing really well. Not going to mess with that. This brake is just about completely pulled out of its moorings, so we'll put it back. See, it's just acting up there, so we'll loosen it here and then re-glue it. Yeah, there it is. So we'll re-glue that in its proper place and re-glue this one in its proper place, and that should fix our brakes, because these are the brake controls right here. This solenoid is what throws the brakes on. Here's the solenoid right here that controls the brakes. That releases them and that engages them. So let's go ahead and re-glue these, and then we'll get this thing put back together. Got the brakes back on and glued, and this tensioner or tension catch was completely bound up, so I disassembled it and oiled it, and it freed right up, so it's working great. And let's see, I oiled this one, and I guess that's about it. Let's put it back together and see how it runs. Okay, we've got the tape running, and let's take a quick look at the fast forward and rewind. Nice. Fast forward. Stop. Perfect.